The verb chart is the most useful tool that we have in Spanish to help us organize our thoughts and make sure that we always have the right answers when we're doing things. In its simplest form, the verb chart looks like this. You might see a few variations on this with a line around the outside edge, for instance, but this is the gist of it, and this gives us everything important that we need. We call this a verb chart, but it's actually used for lots of different things: verbs, subject pronouns, object pronouns, a lot of things like that that you'll learn about later on. First, though, we want to focus on the chart itself and the way that the chart is organized. Everything on the left half of the chart is always going to be singular. Everything on the right side of the chart is always going to be plural. On the first row of the verb chart, or the top row, we have first person. That's easy to remember: first row, first person. On the second row, we have, believe it or not, second person. And on the third row, of course, we have third person. Now, as you learn, you will find out that there are a couple of times when things don't exactly follow the rules. The second and the third person get a little bit blurred, but as a general rule, we have first person on the first row, second person on the second row, third person on the third row. We always have singular on the left and we always have plural on the right. Therefore, no matter what we're doing, we can always go to the verb chart and find out where something needs to be. For instance, if we need the first person plural form of the verb, all we have to do is go to the first person row and follow it over to the plural side of the verb chart, and this is where we would find the information that we needed. If we wanted second person singular, we would look here, and so forth. That's how the verb chart is organized. It makes it very easy to go to the chart and find out specifically what it is that we're looking for.